Good afternoon, my name is Mark. I'm the Chief Mixologist for the Maine here at Saltine, and today we're going to be walking us through one of my favorite and our favorite winter and fall cocktails, a Boulevardier. For a Boulevardier, it's a very bitter, very boozy cocktail. Not really for the faint of heart, but all the more delicious. We're going to have three main components. We're going to have Campari, as well as sweet vermouth, and in this case, Wild Turkey 81 rye, a really delicious rye whiskey that stands really strongly in the cocktail. So first up, we're going to grab our mixing glass and measure out 1 ounce of Campari, as well as 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and last but not least, 1 ounce of Wild Turkey 81 rye, or really any rye whiskey you have on your shelf should work just fine. Next, we're going to load up our mixing glass with our cold draft ice cubes, and we'll give this a nice long stir to really mix in and incorporate all those flavors, as well as chill and give it a little bit of a dilution to the cocktail. Once we're done stirring our cocktail, we'll grab our rocks glass and put some fresh rocks in there and pour over into our double old-fashioned or rocks glass. To finish this cocktail, we're going to peel a nice large orange peel. And skin side down, we're going to express all those orange oils over the cocktail, as well as rim the glass with those same oils and garnish with the peel. Cheers, guys. A Boulevardier.